Hi, my name is Dr. Robert Barrick. I'm a cosmetic dentist of about 14 years up in Cedar City, Utah, about 2.5 hours north of you guys in Vegas. The idea I have a question for you, and I wanted to validate, make sure that I'm thinking straight, and this is something that would actually be appealing to some of you. The idea is basically combining a vacation with getting your cosmetic work done. So the same cost as your lowest priced veneers in Vegas, you'd be able to come up, stay at my lodge for a couple of days, get a free vacation out of it. And let me explain a little bit more about it. You guys have great dentists down there, and they do great work. The veneers do cost a lot more down there than they do up in Utah. Around $1,300 to $2,100, and it usually takes about 2 weeks for those veneers to be made. So if you get 8 veneers done on your tops from premolar to premolar, that'd be around $12,000 for your average set of veneers down there in Las Vegas. So the idea I had was to come up to my property, build this lodge. This is looking out where my lodge would be looking. It's a beautiful place. Deer come out at night. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is a lodge similar to the idea of a lodge that we'll be creating and building. And the idea is to have a state-of-the-art dental facility there where people can come up and get their dental work done. And then while they're waiting for a few days, they actually go and eat out at the nice places we send them and relax in the jacuzzi or go golfing. Sit around in our lounge, read books, and get homemade meals for my wife. I'll have to tell her she's part of the plan. And the biggest thing is you're half an hour away from Zions National Park and Bryce Canyon. And so you can spend those days going and visiting those. This right here is one of my favorite hikes. This is called Angel's Landing. It's fantastic. You can take nice hikes like this or take some easier ones. This right here is really cool. It's Red Canyon, and it's there by Bryce Canyon. This is Arches National Park, and it's a little farther away, so you wouldn't be visiting that. But all these different locations here, you'd be able to go and see these. Yeah, you'd be a little sore from getting your dental work done, but you'd have temporaries on, and truly nothing ibuprofen wouldn't be able to help you with. You'd be able to bring somebody to come, and in fact, we're even thinking about possibly watching kids while you get your dental work done if you want to bring your kids with you, if that's something that you need in order for this to, I don't know how much vacation it would be, but so that right there is Bryce Canyon, the overlook that she's looking at. It's fantastic. People come from all around the world to view it, and it's right in your backyard. Hopefully you've already been there because it's absolutely fantastic. But that's basically the idea, is that for $1,200 per veneer, I'd only have big cases come, like 8 veneers or more. But instead of just going and getting it done there in Vegas, in a regular dental office, waiting 2 weeks, and then coming back and getting them put on, you'd come up and have a 3-day vacation. We would expedite the process. I have an in-house lab that would be there to make sure that it's all done right. And of course, this is well and good as long as the dentist does a good job. And obviously, that's for you to decide. I have lots of before and after pictures. Art is my background, and I actually have a video showing my art and outside of dentistry. I was going to be an art teacher growing up, and I decided to go into dentistry, and it's been such a neat thing to find that I can use my art skills to help people actually feel better about their lives. And so it is something that I feel passionate about. I don't use the term cosmetic dentistry lightly. I'm well educated, and I have the raw talent, and I have a lab tech that's right there with me. And we create some fantastic work. So the questions that I have, that if you have a second and could answer these for me, it would mean so much to me. First of all, have you ever considered improving your smile with cosmetic dentistry? Or if you've already had that done, you'd be a really good opinion here. Do you like the idea of making a free vacation out of it? Does that appeal to you? Or would you rather just go get it done and it's 15 minutes away from your house and you can continue to just do your regular thing? What appeals to you the most about this opportunity? What concerns would you have about it? and any suggestions you'd have to make this possible. One of the things that have come up is, okay, what if things go wrong and you have to get it redone or something fixed, and that is, I guess, a concern, is a 2.5 hour commute. But very rarely is there any issues, and certainly on our end we would make sure that we made everything right with those people that visited. Anyway, thanks so much for your time, and I'll let you go. Please fill out these questions if you have a chance. Thanks.